Chapter number 24, how to repair a moving floor. Let's focus on two parts, the slats and the hydraulic cylinders. First of all, the slats. The slats are the visible parts of the machine, and they can be controlled very easily by visual control. Often you have to replace the ceilings of aluminium slats, because in trailer use these are the wear parts that unfortunately are used by the moving floor, and from time to time you have to replace, remove and exchange these ceilings. In stationary applications, when we use steel moving floors, you might have material stuck between two slats, two steel slats, or even in very robust applications, you may have bent steel plates, and then you have to replace them. Second part of the major repairing is focused in the hydraulic system. First of all, the leaks, the apparent leak that you might have, the connections, the valves, solenoid valves, or the pumps that are leaking, and you can see it. And I had the interesting case of a customer told me, Winfried, your moving floor is no more working correctly. I was very surprised because I didn't understand where the hydraulic problem came from. And the customer solved his problem on his own. It was an internal leak between the two chambers of such a cylinder, because the internal sealing was leaking from the high pressure chamber to the low pressure chamber.